In this guide, we will show you exactly how to add a recovery email to your Gmail account. To do this, you will first click on this specific section here, and then you will need to click on the option to manage your personal Google account settings. Once you successfully enter this specific section of the settings, if you happen to notice that you haven't added any recovery email address so far, the system will automatically provide a warning message for you right here. At this point, you can choose to add a mobile phone number, or in fact, you can provide a secondary recovery email address instead. Alternatively, if this specific option isn't immediately visible to you on your screen, you can manually navigate over to the main security section. Once you are here, you can easily add a phone number or, as mentioned before, add a backup email address for your safety. In this particular example, I have already added an email address, and in this next section you will be required to enter your account password once again so that your identity can be fully verified by the system. If you haven't added an email yet, you can add one, and if you want to edit this email, you click on this button and you can provide a new email for it. Or if you want, you can even add a phone number for account recovery. And here you select the add option, then again enter your password, and you can add a phone number. So in this section, you add the country code and your mobile number, and then click on the next option. A verification code will be sent to your device, and you can use that number to recover your Gmail account.